Hey guys, Jacory Marshall here, your personal trainer with Traveling Trainers. Today I'm going to demonstrate a new exercise with our Swiss ball here that you can put a part of your arsenal in your exercises and workouts. Alright, you guys might have heard the plank on the ground with your elbows, working that core both front and back. But we're going to take it up a notch today for you mid-level to advanced. If you just get bored with that, just trying to get some more ab work and also trying to get a little stronger. All right, so you're gonna set your Swiss ball out right as such, all right? And then you're gonna get on it with your elbows and just like a normal plank, and then you're gonna hold it, okay? You're gonna hold it and you're gonna be able to have that instability of a Swiss ball working against you, but also engaging that core on a different level. So it looks like this. You want to get your arms fixated first and get your weight on it and then kick back, and then you want to bring it up right here, okay? And then you just want to keep your core tight and just watch it work. All right, you want to start off about 2 to 3 sets of 30 seconds to a minute, 30 seconds to 45 seconds or a minute, depending on how advanced you are. And then if you really want to take it up a notch, you can start moving the Swiss ball around. So bring it up and back right here is one way, or side to side, and just keeping that core engaged the whole time, or you can do it around the world. All right, there's different ways you can do it, okay? You can go forward and back as well. Just trying to keep that core guessing, all right? That's our Swiss ball challenge for you right there, and definitely getting that ab on fire, both front and back. All right, guys. Jacory Marshall here once again. For more tips and tricks, go to travelingtrainers.com. Peace.